Hello there YouTube users, hello there YouTube subscribers to my channel. So today I'm gonna be pretty much showing you how to actually do a man-in-the-middle connection using a pretty good software called Cain and Abel. Man-in-between connection is simply getting all the information, actually sniffing on a specific device in your network. So if I've got a device, for this example I'm gonna be using an iPhone, which is connected to my router using Wi-Fi. So first of all, I'm gonna have the device right here, gonna be sending packets to the router. So in the first part of it, I won't be in right in between right here. So we're gonna be having direct connection. This is gonna be pretty much it. We're gonna be having direct connection in between each other, sending packets, receiving packets. But what I'm gonna do is to simply get myself right in between the connection right here. And this is pretty much achievable using Cain and Abel software, which is freely downloadable at oxid.it. So just to start up, this PC is gonna be the attacker obviously. So just to start up, I'm gonna go to CMD. Where in CMD, I'm gonna type in ipconfig, and the reason why I'm doing it is to actually get a hang of my IP address and the router address. So this is gonna be my IP address, and this is gonna be the router address, which is gonna be 192.168.1.1. It varies from routers and from networks. So where I've got my router's address, I can go freely to Cain. Just to say it again, Cain is freely downloadable at http://www.oxid.it. For people who didn't get it well, I'm gonna type again. So it's gonna be oxid.it. It's freely downloadable, and it's roughly around the 7 MB. And just for people wondering how I got this font and all the stuff, this font is simply the 37 kilobyte font, and it's pretty cool to actually be showing. It's pretty much kind of lead style. So there you go. So first of all, what I want you to do in Cain is to actually go to tabs right here. You'll find many tabs as you get in, so just shift on to the sniffer tabs. As you are in the sniffer tabs, I would like you to actually start the sniffer, which is gonna be a small effect of stuff in your taskbar. Just start it, and there it started. So as soon as it starts, you're gonna notice the things that says last packets 0%. So I've got my device, which is an iPhone. It's connected to the router via Wi-Fi. So the guy using this device is actually I'm gonna do a scene. The guy is actually surfing the net, and he's came out to a website actually asking him for his logins. Well, we actually get in between the connection before he actually get to type his logins. So first of all, as we did that, we're gonna click on the small cross right here, blue cross. So we're gonna click to target and whole host in my subnet. You may change your range, but it's preferable to get all hosts in your subnet. And as you're doing it, you're gonna get in your router. If you don't see the device right here, this means that the guy is actually offline. So we actually need him online. Well, I'm gonna be tapping my iPhone right here, trying to get, yes, I'm offline right now here. And my IP address of the iPhone I grabbed is 198.168.1.12. No, excuse me, this is .11. So there you go. So I'm gonna click add host and do another scan. So there you go. It just appears right here, .11. Apple computer, which again confirms that it's an iPhone or it's a device made by Apple itself. It can be a Mac PC or anything like that. So after you got those two right here, you're gonna go to APR right now, the downside tab, not the up tab, the downside tab, it's APR, and you're gonna click on the toxic representation where having label APR. And after you click that, you're gonna click on the window right here, this window, you're gonna click on that. After you click that, it's gonna turn blue. Click on blue. Click on it, I mean. And when you click on 190 to 160 to 101, which is a router, and when you're gonna select the device you want to have here. If you have actually two devices right here and you want to sniff both two devices, the one below can be .12 or .68 or anything. It will appear right here as you click on this, and as it appear right here, you're gonna do a long selection like this to select both device. As both is selected, you're gonna click OK, and it's gonna start up as to be in idle mode. You're gonna have the MAC address of both devices. In idle mode, actually, you're unable to sniff anything. You are not in the middle, as it can be said. And to get in the middle, you want to be clicking on the start APR, which is gonna turn the status to poisoning. And as the status turns to poisoning, you're gonna see this little icon, this little PC right here represent you, and these two represent the router and the PC. Clicking on that simply informs you that yes, you're in here. Well, as you're able to sniff the packets, you're gonna see if the guy is actually surfing. You're gonna start to see packets going right, flooding right here. So well, it's not of great importance. You can also note this right here, which is going to be the external IP of the server he's actually accessing. So you got a great idea of where he's going. And doing a resolve host name on it, you can know to which address he's been. So now the user is actually going to type in his username on the device. He's going to be typing the username as frod, and the other thing he's gonna be actually typing is gonna put in the password, and is gonna type in the password and actually trying to access his user, which gonna be working out obviously because it's his password and stuff. So to be able to retrieve the password, to be able to see the password entering live, or to actually be standing right here and just waiting for the password, I want you to go to right here to down, still on the down tab. Remember you were on host, you came to APR. Now I want you to go to passwords right here. As you are in password right here, you're gonna see those all those stuff right here, which are all passwords you can sniff. It can be FTP, IMAP, HTTP, LDAP, POP3 password, SMB, Telnet password, VNC password. You have a load of these, and we're gonna be sniffing an HTTP password because he's gonna log in at a website, at a web page. So there, as we said, the username he's gonna use frod. Just for tutorial purpose, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you the password and the username just to see it well. So the password he's gonna type in is simply retry, and put in a number with it like 09876, and after that he's gonna click on go, and as he clicks on go, the first packet that goes out, or the first bundle of packets that goes out, simply gets us to the idea of where he's been to. So there you got the time spent, the HTTP server he's been to, and you've got the URL of the server itself, which is much more knowledgeable, much more understandable. And here you've got the client. As you can see, this is the device that I was using to connect, and you've got the frod, the username, which is frod, and you've got the password, which is retry 09876, as I say. And here you got the user field and the pass field and the authentication, and these three columns, they'll be of no use to someone just getting in the business of sniffing or actually doing it, but it is actually pretty useful. And for all people watching this video, I'm pretty much stressing on the point that this video is for educational purpose, and I'm actually doing this video to actually help people try to feel the security in their network, feel to know that people... Hello, and this was pretty much it, how you can do it. And if you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if there's anything else I can include in this video, any question you have, just feel free to comment on the video and rate it. So thank you very much, and bye.